Ryoshi McNagi. New job application code. New job application code. Ryoshi McNagi just got himself employed. And you should do that as well. Let's go. We have some new codes in this brand new update. The developers did drop some new codes, so you can actually go and redeem these brand new codes. There's also a live event going on right now with some free spins. You can get free lucky spins by just staying inside of the game before the update drops. The first code is going to be very simple. MCNAGI. MCNGI exclamation point. This is one of the update codes that you have to redeem in the update. McNagi Fryoshi. Ronaldo 67 Dubai chocolate 24 karat gold Labubu 67. Let's go. W's in the chat. Where is it at? I don't even see it. Alright, the next code is going to be lazy, lucky, genius, exclamation point. You can still redeem this code for some free lucky spins. Redeem every single one of these codes. If you don't have Robux, comment a heart emoji in the comments down below. I'm doing Robux giveaways in the comments down below. Comment a heart emoji right now for free Robux. The next code is WMyro. WMyro. That is the next code, WMyro. Where is Chirolo? Is Chirolo... Did Chirolo exit? Is Myro the head developer? We hit 2 million. We hit 2 million. I am looking into the Fryoshi. He's not in the kitchen. Wait, where is he at? He's not even cooking. He's not even in the kitchen. Is this guy gonna show up to work? Is he gonna cook up some fries, put the burgers in the bags? Where is Fryoshi? McDonald's. I'm going to buy chicken nuggets right now.